Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today we are making bacon cheeseburger Alfredo pasta. So come on, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is cook your bacon if you, or you can use those real bacon bits that you buy in the package at the store. I already cooked my bacon. I cooked it this morning. You also want to put a pot of water on to come up to a boil so we can cook our pasta. I'm using this Celatini pasta, and to our skillet, you want to drain the bacon grease out and leave about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in here. And to that, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. So this recipe is really simple because you need 1 pound of ground beef, 8 ounces of pasta, 4 slices of cooked bacon, 1 jar of Alfredo sauce, 1 cup of shredded cheese, a half a cup of pickles chopped, and a half a cup of onions chopped. That's the whole recipe. And salt and pepper to taste. I love cooking hamburger in the skillet after I fried the bacon. It gives the hamburger, the ground beef, it gives it that bacon flavor. And you can use whatever kind of pasta you want. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. Going to go ahead and add salt to my pasta water. So I need a half a box because this is a 1 pound box. It was very sad to hear Dolly Parton passed away yesterday. She definitely did not look like she was 80. Look, Fly, get out of here. So we cook our hamburger until it's brown. Now, here's the thing. Because it says to add the onions. After the pasta's cooked and everything, and they're going to stay raw. If you know I'm not crazy about raw onions, then go ahead and add them into the ground beef and cook them with the ground beef. I don't mind raw onions, but if you don't like raw onions, then I would cook them and add them in with the ground beef. So we're going to finish cooking this, and I'll bring you guys back when we're ready. I'm going to kill this fly in the meantime. Okay. The ground beef is cooked. The pasta's cooked and drained. We put it back into the pot. We turn the temperature down to medium. We add the ground beef back to the pan. Pour in our Alfredo sauce. Now I saved some of the pasta water so I could rinse out the jar. Stir this all around, make sure everything's coated in the Alfredo. It smells good. Okay. Now we add in the cheese. And I have this creamy, melty mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. Save a little bit of cheese for garnish. Stir this around until the cheese gets all cheesy and melty. Ooh, look at that cheese pool. Okay, now we're going to add in most of our bacon. You just want a little bit for garnish. your onions, and your pickles. Stir that all together. And dinner's done. If it's too thick for you, just add a little bit more pasta water to it to thin it out a little bit, but I think this is perfect. I'm going to garnish it with some bacon. And some pickle slices. And there you have it. Bacon cheeseburger Alfredo pasta. That's what's for dinner. Let's give it a taste. We got a bite with a little bit of everything. It does not need no salt. That's for sure. The only salt I used was in the pasta water. But the Alfredo sauce and the bacon and the pickles gives it just enough salt. Needs a little bit of pepper. But other than that, this is delicious. Add some pepper to the pot. And I'll tell you what, this made a big pot full. So this would definitely feed a crowd. I might have to see how well this freezes, because that's a lot. And this is Wednesday. That's a lot for a Wednesday night. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you want to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. This recipe will be in the description box. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.